Hey, what's up guys? It's Doodle Clubhouse, and in this episode we're going to draw the rose flower. So we're going to start out with this teardrop shape. Then we're going to build another teardrop shape off of that. Then another point right there. And then we're going to do one more point just like that. So it's going to be super simple. We're going to draw a straight line down. And then we're going to give it 2 leaves. So there's 1 leaf. And there's 2. And like I said guys, it's a super simple drawing. So we got our outline. We can color it in.